Today our topic is perimeter and area of combined shapes. Yes, first of all, a combined shape is a combination of several closed shapes. Appo combined shape means what is the meaning? Yeah, combination of several closed shapes. Okay, ma? The perimeter is calculated by adding all the outer sides, that means the boundaries of the combined shape. See, suppose we want to calculate the combined shape perimeter means just adding, that means adding the outer sides, all the outer sides, that means the boundaries of the shapes. Okay, that's called a perimeter. The area means, yeah, how to calculate area. The area is calculated by adding all the areas of closed shapes from which the combined shape is formed. Can you understand or not? Yes, calculating by adding all the areas of closed shapes. Okay, ma? We want to calculate adding all the areas of closed shapes from which formed. It's formed to the closed shape. Okay, ma? The combined shape is we want to form. We want to form the combined shape. Can you understand or not? We will discuss some problem now. You can understand easily. Okay, ma? Yeah. Now see this problem, the exercise 3.1, sixth problem. Find the perimeter and the area of the following shape. Okay, ma? See this figure. They given a 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter here, 4 centimeter. Now see this picture first. We want to calculate perimeter. Yes, perimeter. Perimeter means the total length of all boundaries. Total length of all boundaries. Okay, ma? See here. See here 4 we want to start here. Okay, ma? All boundaries means definitely we want to calculate in outer side fully. Okay, ma? So here 4 centimeter means definitely here also 4 centimeter. So this area 4 centimeter means this area also 4 centimeter. This also 4 centimeter. So all the sides are only 4 centimeter. Okay, just you want to add. Start with here. This is 4 centimeter. This area also 4 centimeter. Next this also 4 centimeter. Next this area also 4 centimeter. Next this area also 4 centimeter. Next here. Next in this portion 4. Next in this portion also 4. Next this place also 4. Next this place also 4. Next this place also 4 centimeter. Next this place also 4 centimeter. Okay, 4 centimeter. Suppose you are a doubt means how many 4s are here. You want to just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now you want to add. Okay, see 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Okay, ma? So 12. Next again 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Add like this. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Again 1, 12. Centimeter. Now we want to add perimeter 12, 12, 12, 12. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 48 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. Now we want to calculate area. Okay, ma? See, we know the definitions of area. Yes. See, we want to calculate the area means by adding all the areas of this closed figure which form the closed shape. Okay, we want to adding all the areas. Okay, we want to adding all the areas in this shape, but it's formed the closed shape. Okay, the area is calculated by adding all the areas in a shape which formed in any closed shapes. Okay, just you take this figure here. Actually, this is the actual figure. Yes, here 4 centimeter, here 4 centimeter, here also 4 centimeter. We want to calculate the area means first of all we want to form any closed shapes. Okay, shall we form it? Yeah. Draw here one line. Here, draw one line. Shall we make any closed shapes or not? Yes. Here one square, here one square, and here one rectangle. So we want to calculate the area means we want to find this three shapes area. Okay, so area equal to okay, ma, area of rectangle. Yes or no? This is a rectangle. No. Yes. Next plus area of square 1 plus area of square 2. Now we want to find the sides. Okay, ma? So you take it a side in a square means definitely here 4, 4, 4, 4. Here also 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. But in this rectangle, we know the one breadth value is a 4 centimeter. We easily find out. But the length value is, see here 4 centimeter. Here also 4 centimeter. So definitely this intermediate place also 4 centimeters. Totally how many centimeter in length? Yeah, 4. This area 4. This area also 4. In this intermediate also 4 means totally how much? 4 plus 4 plus 4. So totally 12 centimeter. Okay, ma? So we know the values now. Length equal to 12 centimeter. Breadth equal to 4 centimeter. And the square side also 4 centimeter. Shall we find the area of rectangle and area of square? Yes. Just you take it. What is the area of rectangle formula? Area of rectangle, yes. Length into breadth. Okay, ma? Plus, next area of square 1 also. What is the formula? Side into side. Again, the area of square 2, side into side. Okay, ma? Square units. What is the length value? 12. Into, what is the breadth value? 4. Plus, side value? Yeah, 4 into 4. Plus, again here also 4 into 4. Square centimeter. Okay, 12 fours are 48. Plus, next 4 fours are 16. Plus, next 4 fours are 16. Okay, ma? Square centimeter. Now we want to add these values. 48, 16, 16. See 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Remaining 2. 2 plus 4, 6, 7, 8. So 80 square centimeter. The area of this figure is, what is this? 80 square centimeter. Can you understand or not? First of all, see the perimeter is very easily. Just you add the all boundaries value. Okay, ma? But this area, first of all, you want to form these shapes into any closed shapes. Okay, ma? Then easily find out the values. In same way, we want to discuss the next problem. Okay, see here. Find the perimeter and the area of the following shapes. See this figure first. Just observe this figure. Then you want to find. Okay, ma? First of all, we want to calculate perimeter. Perimeter. Okay, ma'am, what is the condition of perimeter? Total length of all boundaries. Total length of all boundaries. Okay, ma'am? Okay, shall we start now? Yeah, start with this portion. Okay, ma'am, all boundaries only. So this is the 15 centimeter. Plus next this area is 10 centimeter. Next we want to calculate this portion. Yes or no? This portion. See, totally fully 15. Okay, ma? This total fully 15. But we want to see. This also occupied. No, this fully 15. 15. Total fully 15. We want to reduce a 5 centimeter here. So 15 minus 5. How much? How much? Yeah, 10 centimeter. 15 minus 5 is a 10 centimeter in this portion. Okay, 15 centimeter. Next, we want to calculate this portion only. This portion only. Okay, ma? See, this total fully 50. Total fully 50. We want to reduce this portion. Okay, this is here 10. Now, totally 50. In this portion, the remaining portion occupied is 10. So, minus 10. What is the answer? 4. 40. So here this portion is 40 centimeter. Next we want to easily calculate. Okay, 15 plus 10. This portion also 10. Next this portion is a 40. I think I'm 10. Then 40. Next this outer is a 13. Next this outer portion is 12. Next this area fully 50 centimeter. Okay, 50 centimeter. Okay, can you understand that, not? Ma'am, I mean they not given the values here, ma'am. How to find out? Suppose see here, see clearly the total length is 15. Yes or no? The total length is 15. Now it's possible. This area is 15 means definitely here also 15. But see here, we want to calculate this portion area only. This 15 also occupied. See here, this area is 5 centimeter. No, so this area is 5 centimeter. So total 15. 15 minus this area is 5. Why? Because we need this portion only. No need for this portion. So we want to reduce this portion. So 15 minus 10. 15 minus 5. 10 centimeter. Here also same. See totally 50. Yes or no? Totally 50. But this portion occupied only 10 centimeter. We want to calculate this reduced portion only. So 50 minus 10 is equal to 40 centimeter. Okay, you understand or not? Yeah. Okay, ma. See. Just you want to add all the boundaries. We get the value is what is this? 15, 10, 25, 35. 35 plus next to 40 plus next to 13, so here 25 plus 50. Can you understand that? Yes. Now we want to add here 35, 40, 25, 50. 10 remaining 1, 4, 8, 10, 15. So 150 centimeter. The perimeter is 150 centimeter of this shapes. Okay, ma'am. Now we want to calculate area. So first you want to draw this figure, sample figure. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma. Here we want to form the shapes now. Okay, ma. It's nothing but here one square. You draw here one rectangle. Okay, ma. Here one square. Here one rectangle. Here one triangle. Okay, ma. Just you take it here. Here 10 centimeter, here 15 centimeter, here what is this, here 50 centimeter, here 13 centimeter, here 12 centimeter, here 5 centimeter. Yes? Yeah. See, definitely here 10 centimeter means square, in 4 sides are 10 centimeter only. Yes? Next, in square, this area fully 50 centimeter. Length is 50 centimeter. But, what is this? But the breadth is only 5 centimeter. We taken this portion only rectangle. Apu, can you understand or not? This portion only you want to take a rectangle. So, this is a 5 centimeter. Next, in what is this? Triangles, nothing. 5 centimeter. This portion is 13 centimeter. This portion is 12 centimeter. Okay, can you understand or not? Yeah. Yes, now we want to calculate area. Area equal to first area of square. Next, area of rectangle. Next, area of triangle. Right angle, triangle. Shall we write the formula and substitute these values? Yes. So, area of square, what is the formula? Side into side. Plus, area of rectangle, length into breadth. Next, plus, area of triangle, 1 by 2, b into h. Square unit. Okay, ma? In this square, what is the side value? Yeah, definitely 10 into 10. Plus, Next, what is the length value in rectangle? Yeah, length is 50 centimeter. What is the breadth value? 5 centimeter. Plus, next, 1 by 2 into, what is the base value here? 12. Into, what is the height value here? 5. Okay, 5 square centimeter. Appo 10 tens are, yeah, 100. Okay, ma? Plus 50 5s are 250. Plus next 1 2 is 2, 6 2s are 12, so 6 5s are 30 square centimeter. Now I want to add all these values. 100 plus 250, 350. 350 plus 30, 380 square centimeter. The area of this shape is 380 square centimeter. It's nothing but, don't worry about this. Okay, just you divide the shapes. Okay, you want to form the closed shape in any shapes. Okay, just you want to form the shapes and measure the ranges, then easily find out the value. Now see the next problem. See the exercise 3.1, the 14th problem. Your field is in the shape of a right angle triangle whose base is 25 meter and the height is 20 meter. Find the cost of leveling the field at the rate of rupees 45 per square meter. Okay, first of all, what we find here is, see, we want to calculate the cost of the right angle triangle shapes. Okay, or that field. Okay, we want to calculate the cost range. But they given per square meter how much cost they given? Rupees 45. They given a base and a height also. First of all, we want to calculate the area. Total area we want to calculate first. Yes or no? So, the base is how much? 25 meter. And the height is how much? 20 meter. First of all, you want to calculate the area of, area of a right angle triangle. Okay, so you want to calculate the area, which area? Right angle triangle. What is the formula for area of right angle triangle? Yes, 1 by 2 into B into H square units. Okay, so 1 by 2 into, what is the base value? 25 into height value is 20. 1 2 is 2, 10 2 is 6 square meter. Okay, square meter square. Okay. So, what is the value? 25 into 10, 250 square meter. Okay, the area, total area is 250 square meter. But this given the cost of leveling for only 1 meter square. Okay, 1 meter square, what is the cost? Cost of 1 meter square is rupees 45. We want to calculate cost of 250 meter square. Okay, just you multiply here 250 into 45. Appo multiply here now. 250 into 45, 0, 5 5s are 25, remaining 2, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. Next, 0, 4 5s are 20, remaining 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So, I want to add here 0, 5, 2, 1, 1. Okay, ma? Can you understand or not? Yes. So, the cost of 250 meter square is rupees 11,250. 11,250. It's very easy. First of all, you want to calculate total area. Okay, ma'am? They given the cost only for a 1 meter square. 1 meter square rupees 45. But they given only the base and the height values only. So we want to calculate the total area of this right angle triangle. Then after finishing that area, we want to find the cost. Okay, ma'am? See the next problem. A square of side is 2 centimeter is joined with a rectangle of length 15 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. Find the perimeter of combined shape. Okay, ma'am, see here. The square of side 2 centimeter. Square of side is 2 centimeters joined with shape. Which shape? Rectangle. So, first of all, you draw one rectangle. Okay, ma? This rectangle 2 centimeters joined with the here. Okay, ma? Can you understand or not? Yes. 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter. See, totally 15 centimeter. Length, rectangle length 15 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. But this 2 centimeters joined with the rectangle shape. Okay, ma'am? Now we want to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter of this combined shape. Okay, ma'am? Perimeter of this combined shape. First, perimeter of square plus perimeter of rectangle we want to calculate. What is the formula for a perimeter of square? 4 into side plus what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B units. What is squared side value? How much? 2 centimeters. So 4 into 2 plus 2 into, what is the length of rectangle? Totally 15 centimeter, but in this area side occupied 2 centimeter. So totally 15 minus 2 means what is the answer? 15 minus 2, 13. So 13. The breadth value is 10. Okay, ma'am? Yeah. Centimeter. Next, 4 2s are 8 plus 2 into 13 plus 10, 23. Okay, ma'am? Centimeter. So 8 plus 223 is a 46 centimeter. Now you want to add 8 plus 6, see 14, remaining 1, 54. 54 centimeter. So this combined shape perimeter is 54 centimeter. 54 centimeter.